Okay, so today we prepare for you very amazing choreography. It's fun to learn, it's fun to dance. Anybody can do it. We'll explain step by step with the timing and some technical secrets. Let's get started. We start with very simple kick ball change action. So we point our right foot forward and then we ball change on the other foot. Point, ball change. Point, ball change. You can do it by yourself. You can do with the partner. You can do in a group of people. It doesn't matter. All works. So let's reface this way a little bit. So when you do point, of course, you don't want to be flat. You want to still have a little bit pendulum, a little bit melting in your body, a little bit action. That's how you feel music. Because if it's only legs, it will feel not as fun. So focus on your hip action. Let's loosen up our hips. Tick, 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 tick. A little bit sides. Very good. So as we point, we have a little bit angle here. Point, ball change. 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 So this will be beginning of our choreo. Just a small intro for fun. So we're going point, ball change, point, ball change, point, ball change, point, ball change. From here, we're gonna step to the side into this position. Boom. Open your legs as wide as you can. Now from here, we're just gonna swing our hips left, right, left. Tick, 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 tick. After that, we're gonna keep doing the same action in the hips and our arms gonna do rainbows on the sides. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we will collect here. Let's go from beginning. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 we collect feet. Okay, next one. We have a 4 counts marching in place. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we march in place, don't over focus on the legs. Let's more focus on your pendulum change and on your rib cage action, same time. So let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And from here, we a little bit bend our knees, prepare, and go for the fast position. So this arm is up, this elbow is this way. 5, 6, and do 2 hips. 7, 8. Let's do it one more time. So here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hip, hip. Excellent. And for the guys, for the men, you can do the same action, and just for the girls, just add a little bit head and look over shoulder for your partner. But if you do solo, you can do either way. Let's do it from very beginning. 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hands are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one, cross point. So we cross point. Cross point. When we do cross point, it's very important to keep turning your shoulders as you cross. Cross point. So that hip as you point, go like behind your shoulder a little bit. Cross point. Very Jay-Z, not Jay-Z, Jay-Z from jazz. Very Beyonce. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and from here, focus guys now on your 2 feet and make them twist. So do this, tweet, 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 tweet. Now put your arms to the sides, let your arms counterbalance yourself, very good. And so now when we get here, we're gonna do couple twists. Tweet, 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 and now here, finishing with the kick. So here is already has a little bit technique. So you have to compress your knee, hit your bum, up, 8. Finishing into diagonal heel with a beautiful pointed foot. So let's go from Jay-Z part. Here, 5, 6, hip, hip. Jay-Z, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I want you to remind, of course, we have a lot of technique this. in this dance, but the main point for the jive is the character, is the attitude. So having that playfulness is very, very important. So let's do it again and have your teasing personality, playfulness as you do it, especially for this next movement, which is not really a technique movement, it's just a fun, playful. Boom, there is no right or wrong here. And now going from the kick. Next one, kicking section. So from here, we have our knee, gonna go into triangle. So the next part, kicking part, the most fun part. So we landed here, count 8. Now here, remember to put your leg into angled position and take it slightly behind you so your foot can pass your leg. Now from here, as your knee here, you see it can elevate using your hip joint. From here, you can kick it and then you can tap it. And remember, as you do it, don't rely completely on your legs only. There is hips pendulum, there is a rib cage. So kick, tap, kick, tap. So let's do it again. We have this is 8. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have left, right, but it's less will be kicking, more pointing, and focus on the next one, on the rotation of your standing leg. And left is like you almost show your booty here. And right. So let's repeat it again. So this is 8. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, left, right. Now from here, we tap in behind, and this is going to be our biggest kick. We're going to direct it diagonally forward with a little bit arms. Hey, hey. And here will be very emotional. Hey, hey type of step. Hey, hey, celebration. Now from here, following with the sailor step, and here for the girls will be triple point with the beautiful pendulum, and for the guys will be sailor womb. Very masculine position. Let's go from beginning. Very good. 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, tap, left, right, kick. Hey, hey, triple step, and boom. Till there. Okay, guys, work on this choreography and see you the next time.